What's the meaning of breadwinner? Breadwinner. Breadwinner.
Breadwinner. Breadwinner. The term breadwinner refers to the person in a household who earns money to support their family. This individual is typically the primary income earner and may work full-time or multiple jobs to provide for their household's financial needs. The breadwinner is often responsible for managing the family's finances, paying bills, and providing for necessities like food, clothing, and shelter. Their contributions are essential to the well-being of their family members and can have a significant impact on their quality of life. Without a breadwinner, it may be difficult for a family to meet their basic needs and maintain a stable standard of living.